everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is something you could use for Taco Tuesday. It's called Salsa Chicken, and my mom got it off of a YouTube short on Instapot's YouTube channel. And so we found the recipe on recipes.instapot.com, and it was so easy and delicious, and we highly recommend it. So watch this video, give it a try. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everybody, as Yoda said, we are making salsa chicken for dinner tonight for the Monday meal. Now, you could also use this on Taco Tuesday. Great idea. Cook it ahead and use it on Taco Tuesday. So, our salsa chicken, we have at least 4 chicken breasts in here. We may have 5. And then I thawed out. So, chicken breasts, I added some chopped onion, frozen chopped onion, about about a cup of that in there. But the recipe on recipes.instapot.com does not have that in there. I just added it. So I'm going to link to the original recipe in the description box below. Then you got to put in a half a cup of water or chicken broth. So I use chicken broth. And then you do a jar of salsa, which I have this huge jar. So I know it probably is not referring to this size. So I use 2 cups of that of on the border salsa. And you top it off with that. Then we're going to put our lid on our Instant Pot. We're going to pressure cook it, so it needs to be on sealing. And manual cook or poultry, which I don't even know if I have that. No, I don't. So manual cook it is for 15 minutes. And then you can either natural release or quick release. It's up to you. So that is what we're doing right now. All right, so we let it natural release, and then I finished it out with a quick release. And it says if you want a thicker sauce to saute it for 5 minutes, so that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna let it saute and then shred. Okay, I sauteed for 5 minutes. I added a couple of tablespoons of my beef carnivore flour that I get from Carnivore Crisps. And it thickened the sauce, and I put the shredded chicken. I took the chicken out, shredded it, and then put it back in there after the sauce was thickened. And so now you let it cool for 10 minutes. And then once it's cool, you add a cup of, well, you're supposed to add Greek yogurt, but I'm allergic to the protein that is in yogurt and milk and cheese. So I can't have that, but there is none of that protein in sour cream. It is pure, well, at least Daisy, it's pure natural sour cream without any milk. So I've got a cup of that ready to go instead of yogurt. And as soon as this cools, I'm gonna add this in here and mix it up. And then you can serve this over whatever you want. I'm gonna serve it over kale. I have picked my kale. I'm gonna put that in the bowl. You can serve it over rice. If you don't do keto, you could serve it over chips. It's up to you, but that's what I'm serving ours over. So when I mix in the sour cream and then mix everything together, I will show you the finished product. Okay, so here it is. I've mixed mine with kale, or you could use lettuce or chips or rice, whatever you want. And of course, I added my cup of sour cream. You can use Greek yogurt if you're not allergic to the dairy protein like I am. So there you go. Now you serve it up with whatever you want. Happy Monday. Bye.